I'm NAZ Today meteorologist Lee Bowen coming to you on Thursday, February the 7th. Thanks for checking in with us on the World Wide Web. We're all busy here at NAZ Today, getting ready to bring you live shows next week. Let's talk about this week's storm. Winter returns after a little hiatus and finally fleeing February proper around here. Here's some storm totals from this snowstorm earlier in the week up at the Arizona Snowbowl, checking in with 42 new inches of snow, and the skiing and boarding great up there. The base as deep as it's been in a couple winters at 70 inches. Flagstaff, we were ranging from 4 to 10 inches of snow depending on what side of town you were. Officially at Pulliam Airport it was 9.4 inches. South of town, Kachina 10 inches, Williams 6 inches, and as usual Donny Park checking in on the short end of the stick at 3.7 inches. All right, I think it was the coldest morning yet this winter. This morning, Thursday morning, low temperatures downright frigid. Flagstaff Airport, -1, -8 at the Grand Canyon, Tucson Airport. Happy Jack, -12 this morning, and right on down the line, very cold temperatures across northern and central Arizona. Prescott, 14 this morning. Sedona, 21. Payson, 18. We have another cold morning out there on Friday. Here's some Friday morning forecast numbers from the National Weather Service. Flagstaff 4 degrees, Williams 4 degrees, even cold up on the reservation. Keams Canyon forecasting 8, and 8 up towards Chinle, 14. Kayenta. And I would go out on a limb and say we're probably going to see some sub-zero readings across some of the colder locations once again. Consider bringing your pets out there on this dangerously cold Thursday overnight. All right, today, Thursday, it was a chilly day. Flagstaff, our high temperature just above freezing, average for this time of year. In the mid-40s, we will see temperatures return to normal here to round out the work week. Also going into the weekend, kind of a brief period of high pressure building in, a mild air mass moving in off the Pacific Ocean. Tomorrow, 10 degrees warmer across the map than everybody was on this Thursday. Much more close to normal for this time of year, and temperatures really don't waver much over the coming weekend. One thing of note is this storm system right here kind of stays to our north Saturday. It'll be windy and partly cloudy. Temperatures still quite mild. There's another storm system that's going to drop in kind of behind this, also stay to our north Sunday night and Monday. It looks like a pretty quiet forecast for us here going into early next week. Okay, here's a look at your extended forecast. Tomorrow temperatures jump up into the 40s. Like I say, a whole lot warmer than we were today. We stay in the low 40s here going into a fairly mild weekend. We'll call it a bit on the windy side out there on Saturday. Temperatures start to warm up as we get into mid next week, and possibly another strong storm system as we get into late next week. Well, be sure to check in with us as NAZ Today coming back to you live beginning next week.